Hey, Dylan here. I'm gonna do a video of my nice couple diecast trucks I got. This is my first video, so please subscribe. Okay, here we go. This truck I ordered off extremetoys.com. Pretty nice truck. It's a Peterbilt 359, I think. Nice, got a nice headache rack, nice stacks, nice visor. Sorry, I'm a little nervous. Nice fenders and nice lights on it. Got a nice engine in it. Okay, moving on to another one. My large car mag Peterbilt, also got it off of extremetoys.com. It's kind of loaded right now. Yeah, it's a 359, I think. Yeah, nice. Got a Mack dump trailer. Pretty nice truck. The mirror just came off a little bit. I put a chrome nice visor on it. Yeah, took tarp off. Nice trailer. Yeah, very nice. Okay, moving on again. Sorry, just moving the truck. This is a Peterbilt 379 friend transport. Got it off of TexasToyTrucks.com. I put nice mud flaps on the back. Took tarp off. Added plugins, different fenders, and all I can say about it is it's a nice truck. Yeah, we're going to move on to a different one now. I'm only showing my nice trucks. So, if you want to see all my other ones, just comment and ask. Okay, this one is also another one from TexasToyTrucks.com. It's a Peterbilt 359, I think. No, 389. Just with different lights, with a Mack dump trailer, spread axle, round dump. It's a nice truck. I like the visor, the stacks. I like the flames on it a lot. And got a little coal chute in the back, if you can see it. Got the memorial for Jake Island, his brother that died. Hold on. Sorry, folks. Well, sorry. I fell. Okay, this is the last truck. Nick Bodino. Also got it from TexasToyTrucks.com. Peterbilt 389. I think it's a glider kit with a Mack half round dump, with a nice visor and nice stacks. It's a really cool truck. I like it. And yeah, that's all I can tell you about my trucks. Yep. Okay, well, you guys have a good day. Bye-bye.